to the operations against drugs po?
No, sir. I do not even know the person. And if there's the killing, it's beyond me.
He also mentioned, Mr. President, Mr. Chair, doon sa paragraph 19, sinabi po niya, there was an operation po against Mayor Rinaldo Aldong Paruno of Osamis City. Was this also part of the war on illegal drugs, Mr. Chair?
No, wala pa pakialam, sir. But I know that the Parahinods were, pardon, patay na kasi. I do not want to, lahat na ng maisip mo na kagaguhan ng isang councilor.
Actually, they served the search warrant on July 30, 2017, and after the operation, 16 people were killed in these police operations po, yung kay Paruino. This was according to the affidavit of Joe Espinito.
If it was in Davao?
In Osamis po.
Wala akong ano din sa hindi ko na teritoryo yan.
Okay, dito naman po tayo, Mr. President and Chairman, Mr. Chair. Doon po sa may nangyari pong patayan noong August 13, 2016 sa Davao Penal Colony involving 3 Chinese prisoners. Ito po yung mga Chinese na kinulong po doon sa Davao Penal Colony. Ito po yung mga Chinese chemists yata. Now, accordingly, it was an operations led by Colonel Garma, inutusan sa Arthur Nasolis. Pero ang pinaka-importante po, ito po ay sinumpang salaysay ni Colonel Jerry Padilla po. He was the superintendent at that time nung nangyari po ang patayan doon sa Dapicol. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin to dahil marami pong papagtatanong. Ang iano ko na ho, after the killing, according to sa supplemental supplemental affidavit of Colonel Jerry Padilla, pinuntahan po niya yung mga pumatay na si Leopoldo Tan o tsaka yung si Mr. Magdanaro para huliin po doon sa selda kasi doon po pinatay sa selda yung 3 Chinese prisoners. Nung papalabas na po sila, nakaposas na po yung Chinese prisoners. According to Colonel Jerry Padilla, he received a call from you daw, congratulating him doon sa namatay na 3 Chinese and sinabi pa raw noon ninyo, job well done. Totoo po ba yun?
Hindi, sir. Hindi ko kilala yung tao. I would never talk to a stranger, lalo na yung mga ganun. It's not only, it's dangerous. I would only talk about these things, about the killing, to a few confident, but they're all sa taas na police officer. And I would just give the direction. But sometimes I say that kung lumaban, patay na lang ninyo. Patay, yan ang totoo sa ko. Pag lumaban, patay na ninyo para matapos na. Kasi kung makakulong kalapas yan, problema na naman. Mabuti lang sana kung ordinaryo. Pero kung mag-itip makaso ng rape, magnakaw, tapos patayin pa siya, medyo talagang mainit na talaga. Sa mga pag-prank ka na lang ako before dinito. Alam ng lahat ng police pati NBI, mainit talaga ako. Hanapan ninyo. Kaya sabi ko, kung may mga baril yan, pabunit, bunutin. Meaning to say, make a scene na kailangan, kung sa'yo, arestado ka, patruhin mo muna ng baril. Barilin mo. Patayin mo na para wala na akong court appeal na hahanapin pa bukas. At wala nang ma-rape, wala nang manakaw, at maganda na ang sudan ko. Ang mga residente, at least, wala nang hindi takot. They can walk the streets.
Mr. President, this statement of Colonel Jerry Padilla was corroborated by a certain Mr. Leopoldo Tan, yung isang PDL na pumatay, kasi nagsama na po sila doon papunta sa opisina ng admin office ng Dapicol, and nag-corroborate po si Leopoldo Tan na hindi tumawag daw po kayo kay Colonel Jerry Padilla. I just want to inform you that it was just corroborated by Leopoldo Tan.
Alam mo, sir, hindi mo dapat gawin yan. Alam mo bakit? Pag ganun yan, sir, tinitape ka. Alam mo yung police na gano'n, tinitape ka. Pagka nag-istorya ka ng mga gano'n, sasabi ka talaga. Hindi ko ginagawa yun. Kung may instruction mo na ako, kung may gusto mo na akong patayin, tawagan ako. Isang tao, isang officer. Patayin. Wala nang rape. Nakaw, rape. Tapos, sa kulong. So,
Thank you,
Tapos,
Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. Chair. I have no further question.
Salamat. Thank you, Mintel.